Hello and welcome to this video tutorial hosted by Adam Wignall of Strawberry 7. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your default apps in Windows 10. Here you can see I have some PDFs, and if I double click on them, by default Windows 10 wants to open them with Microsoft Edge. But I don't want to open them with Microsoft Edge, I'd rather open them with Adobe Reader. What I can do is right click on one of the files and select Open with Adobe Reader. But this is just a one-time thing. If I want to always open PDFs with Adobe Reader, I need to do something slightly different. Click on the Start menu, then Settings, Apps, then Default Apps. Here you can see I've already selected VLC as the default for my music player and Google Chrome as the default for my web browser. A PDF is a file type, so we need to click on Choose Default Apps by File Type. Scroll down until you can find .pdf and you'll see the default is currently Microsoft Edge, so we can click on this and then select our new default program. I'm going to choose Adobe Reader. Then if we go back to where the PDFs are, you will see that the icon has now changed and they now have the icon for Adobe Reader. So I now know that the next time I double click on one of these PDFs, it will always open with Adobe Reader. Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.